Well, today's room tour is of the Hilton Playa del Carmen in Playa del Carmen, Mexico. These are the hallways, and I'm going to show you our room here. We're in 2231. This is a junior suite king oceanfront room, and this is really a very beautiful room. So start here at the door. And this looks like it's a privacy door, so if you order some food and you don't want anyone to come into the room, they'll put it in here, and then you just come and get it out of that box, which I think is a really nice touch. So as we enter, we have some drawers here, another one here, coffee maker, we have some snacks, ice bucket, couple of bottles of water that are room temperature. This is an all-inclusive resort, so they will refill your refrigerator every day. Looks like a couple of Cokes, a Sprite, water, Diet Coke, and some beer in there. And then this is the room. Really very nice room. We have our TV. There is a full-length mirror. We have a sitting area, a table with 2 chairs in case you do order some room service. There is the bed. We have a ceiling fan, nice beams in here. And the room comes with a 2-person hot tub, and I'll show you the view. I'll step out there, but I think you can tell. As I said, it is an oceanfront room, so you'll be able to see the ocean from inside the hot tub. And here is our balcony. There's something happening at the pool right now. So this pool is huge. It goes all the way back up the middle of 2 buildings, and it's pretty long. And then this nice quiet area down here. And then here is the ocean. Looks like someone out there parasailing. And off in the distance, I'm not sure if you can see, but that is Cozumel that we can see from our balcony. There are some cabanas here on the beach, around the pool, lounge chairs. We have a couple of chairs, and we have a hammock. So we can hang this from here over to the hook on that counter there, and we can have a hammock to hang out in. Those people there have a smaller balcony, so they just have one of those hanging chairs. But if you look down, now if you look, I don't know if you can see, there's like, it looks like there's a pool there. That building that's next to us, if you booked it on the ground floor, each room has its own semi-private pool, which is pretty cool. Really, really great resort. You can see more people swimming down there at another resort. Goes all the way around. So such a beautiful resort. We're gonna have more from this resort, showing you all of the public spaces, all the things to do here. But I wanted to start off, because we just got here, showing you our beautiful room. Is the bathroom. When you walk in, the lights come on their own, but if you want the lights over the sink on, you can turn those on. Some really cool things here. They give you a hand sanitizer, some wipes to clean things off if you wanted to. Of course, soap, some mosquito repellent, and it looks like really nice, some lotions. And we have a closet. And we have 2 robes, the ironing and the ironing board. There's a safe, there's a hairdryer, and I'm not sure why there's a scale in a resort when you're on vacation, but I guess, you know, some people want to know what they weigh, so that's really nice. Love that. Oh, there's even an umbrella in there. Wow, that is really nice in case it rains. And then here is the commode and the shower. And it looks like some of the same, obviously branded Percy, I think is how you say that. Shampoo, conditioner, and body lotion. It's got the rainfall shower head, the handheld, and then a place for your towels. So that is a look at the room, and we'll be giving you a look at more in the coming days.